Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video with MrWaheedulHaque. We're going to be changing the high beams and daylight running lights of this. So the daylight running light is the same as the high beam, it's just on lower power. So that's the inside one, this one here. I'll show you what they look like in the day and night previously, because I'm going to be changing it to LED ones. So the bulb type is H15, search it online. There should be a rubber cap here, but I'm missing it. As you can see right there, that's the high beam one. There's three here. That's your low beam indicator and that's your high beam. This side has the cap, so it won't be an issue, but this side's missing it, so I'm gonna have to order one of them. So you want to make sure you have gloves on for this, because
so what we're all wondering is how do you find out what it is? Because obviously yours is H15. How do you find that out?
Just type it in on Halfords, or just type in your car and all the bulbs will come up.
No problem.
I need a rear fog light as well. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so there's the inside. You put in your hand in there, and I'm going to put my hand in this way, and you want to twist it this way, anti-clockwise. So then the bulb will come out. So I'll show you that now. Let me just put some gloves on. I'll hand over the cameraman. Here you go.
Oh,
here goes that.
hey, what's going on, guys? Well, okay. So that's obviously the bulb there, and the access port is this one just here. Obviously it's supposed to have a cap like that, but don't have a cap. Up to you, bro.
Okay, might as well. Feel weird without it.
Know what to do. I can try get a thingy like here.
Yeah, got it. 1 second. Turning it
Anti-clockwise.
that way.
Yeah. So when you're trying to get it out, make sure to go anti-clockwise.
My hands are quite big, you know. Got it.
Okay.
Very hard, but it's possible. Okay, so that's the bulb. Right, so with this, this is the high beam. All you're doing is twisting it to the left or right, this way. So you're twisting it right.
You can see.
And it comes out just like that. So this is perfectly fine. I just want to change it to LED, because that's what I'm doing with the low beams. The low beams are very weak and I want the white look. So yeah, that's just a normal H15 high beam. So what it is, daytime running lights runs at the bottom there, and the high beams at the top there. So that'll be more powerful than this one here. So yeah, it's got these 3 pins here, that's about it. And these are Osram. So these are very good high beams, very expensive high beams, as you can see. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you the...
Obviously you can see it's out now too. Yeah, mate. And then these.
Okay, so these are the LEDs. They're a bit bigger, as you can see, but hopefully they should fit. Let me just grab one. So they come with a fan. The best ones to get is the fanless ones, but this is alright. Hopefully it doesn't make too much noise. As you can see, there's a high beam. It will also run in a low beam mode, which will just be less power. Let's go ahead and try and install this. Hopefully no errors come up either. So you want it at an angle this way. So it's pointing upwards and left like that when you enter, chuck in. Alright, you want to have a look at the front? Yep.
So you can see that's gone through.
And then you want to twist it this way, clockwise now.
Clockwise.
So it goes into your place.
And you will be able to feel it click as well.
That's if I can get it in. It's very tight. Oh my god. Very hard to actually get that in. Got no grip on this. Let me try that again. I can't tell if that's in. Needs turning in it. Wait, we turned it anti-clockwise. We turned it clockwise now.
Yeah.
Okay. Very hard to do. Let me try from this angle. Where is it? There. So hard to get a grip on this because this box is in the way. So that's how it will well on.
Do you want to pass it to a professional?
How?
To me.
It's a lot harder than it looks. Maybe it's the LEDs, maybe it's me. Who knows? But it's very hard with limited space. this side's going to be a lot harder.
I think you're actually quite lucky, obviously, because you've got like a professional at hand.
Professional, yeah. Professional gada.
Oi. Nice engine.
So these have been changed as well, like the low beams, like twice over. So this is the new ones. The other one had a problem with these being bent, which I'll show you in a second. There you go. Okay, so hopefully these fit. So all you're doing is putting it at an angle this way. So when you put in, you put it at an angle like that. So hopefully it should work. Watch from the front. Can you see it?
I can, yeah.
In?
Yeah. I didn't see. It's in, but it's not straight.
Go this side. That's it. So we put this on right, like that. Nobody job curry today. I feel like that might be in. Not fully sturdy though. Can you see?
Should we give it a blast?
Don't put these out. Make sure the pins don't bend. Yeah, they look okay.
Okay.
Hopefully they don't bend. Okay.
This is good stuff.
They look alright, but we don't know yet. We just don't know yet, bros. I'm gonna enter it at a. There you go. I feel it going in.
A cat.
Oh, no, the peach.
Jump to put blue first.
Guys, the what's it called? The daylight running light high beams on. So this is in daylight running mode. As you can see, they're way brighter. They give a bit of a blue thing here. But when you look at it, you can't actually see this blue. Oh yeah.
Line, wherever I look, it is like damage my eyes.
Oh, they're quite bright, you know. Even for daytime running lights.
Your eyes, don't even look at it straight.
For daytime running lights, they're bright. They are blind. Ay.
It's too bright.
Do you think?
Look in my eyes.
Okay, now I'll show you the high beams. I need to turn it on, don't I?
Yeah. Push it.
Huh? It's still on?
No.
Which indicator's on?
Put your fucking indicators.
Is that on?
Now it's.
There you go. So as you can see, that's the high beam with the daytime running light. No, I mean yeah. So that is very bright. Very bright. Heat wise, let's have a feel. So you can put your cup back on, but I'm missing a cup still, so I'll have to get one. Heat wise it's alright. It's running well. Just need to make sure I'm not blind anyone with that. So we just need to do this side now and we're alright. Then we only have these boogers to do, but they're very hard to do. Right, we're gonna do this on the other side now.
Jeez. Oh, sorry.
Alright, so which one is it? This one is? So this one has a cup, this side has a cup. Just taken out. There's a cup taken off. Then you want to twist it. Oh, this one's a bit less space in it.
Yeah.
These less space ones are a lot harder.
Yeah, it's a lot more difficult on this side.
Oh, this is quite. Oh, that's gonna be hard to twist in then.
We're also planning on changing this to K&N filter. So let us know what you think we should do. High performance filter like the Astra Mark 5 sat just there.
When do you see this?
You didn't, I just said it now.
Okay, how the hell am I going to do this one? That was a headache to get out. You're just twisting it again that way. So yeah, that's the mistake. Now getting this one is going to be very hard because it's quite bigger. That's just still, let me put it in the box. Just in case we have to switch back to them because these might be a bit powerful. So you want to put it in this way again, twist it in. So this side was very hard to do. So once it's in, you want to twist it even more with brute force, otherwise it'll just flicker. And then when it's fully in, you'll know it's in because it's start lighting up. Alright. This side has very restricted access. So we have taken the whole air filter box out. It's very hard to do. You have to take out this screw, 3 screws along here, that screw, got 2 screws here on the car side, and then you have to be careful of this filter pipe. That's the coolant. You need to be careful of that pipe. Don't know how we're going to get this back in as well, so who knows. But now we have full access, unrestricted access to all the bulbs.
Is it better or worse?
Obviously we're going to reach it now.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. If you like the high beam LEDs and the loading line ones, go check out those ones. I'll show you how to change them.
This is what's coming in the next video. Stay tuned.